10mm auto, 175 grain silver tip hollow point. I'll be using the Glock 20. Okay, that was rather impressive. Went right through the leather and the liner. I had some cloth here representing some clothing. Looks like the entrance wound was opening up pretty big there, pretty quick. Where it hit this first piece of pork, this is a thick piece of pork. Just found a piece of fragmentation. I believe this was the entry level one. I'm not sure at this point the way it exploded, but there's a piece of fragmentation right there. This wound is humongous. Very, very large. The entrance wound here, very large, very impressive. Yeah, it looks like the bullet dropped down. So this was the second piece. Humongous gap, humongous. Through the second jug. The third jug, it's dropping down. You can see the size of it. Right here, I can see a piece of metal and it broke. I don't know if it went all the way through or what. Let me cut this open and I'll see what I got. Okay, as you saw, this just started to penetrate the third jug. This is what I was seeing. I didn't know if it all fragged up, but this is a very impressive mushroom. It's measuring, not counting the part that's sticking up, 3/4 of an inch. The penetration on it with this meat, this is thick meat, and everything else, it was approximately 19 and a half inches of penetration. Very, very impressive. Alright, today I'm going to be testing the Hornady 10mm auto, 180 grain XTP. I'll be using the Glock 20. Okay, I'll be doing pretty much what I've normally been doing if you've been watching the videos. Got a piece of leather cut out of a leather coat with the liner. I've got some cotton towel representing some cotton t-shirts. I've got the pork ribs. I'm using pork because it's closest to human flesh. So let's shoot this and let's see what it does. Alright, impressive explosion there. Obviously it went through. Here you see where it exited out. The first piece. The second piece, it dropped down. Doesn't look like it has a lot of expansion. I don't know what the deal is. I seem to be angling down today. Sorry about that. Through the second one, right here in the third one, and it looked like just got a piece of the fourth one but didn't bust through. Let me cut this open, we'll see what we got. Okay, this is what I recovered. Looks pretty much fully intact. Right at 3/4 of an inch. This pork wasn't as thick as the the pork I used on the Winchester, so I'm saying this is probably a good 18 inches of penetration, no problem.